How to fix your Xfinity Wi-Fi box from a white blinking light. So this usually means the router is having problems with connecting with the network or can't connect with the network at all. So here you have your very blurry picture of the router. So as you can see, that's not really white right now. Alright, so let's say this guy is blinking white over here. So a few ways you can fix this. Hold on, let's make this guy a bit smaller. So we're trying to fix this guy. So the first option is to try and fix any connections or cables of the router to ensure all cables are connected, especially these guys, as they pretty much cause a lot of trouble sometimes. So let's just put that here to give you a reminder that, oh, this guy is important, so I gotta fix him. Now our second option is to restart the modem. So you can do this by simply unplugging the wire from the outlet or wherever you're inputting it into. So we have a little diagram over here. It's pretty cute to show you how to do so. So let's just put that second option over here. Third option is to technically just reset the router by using a pin. There should be a little hole for you to be able to reset the router. Maybe it's in the back. Depending on what router you're using, you should be able to find it. And for the fourth option, so you can go ahead and contact Xfinity support. So if none of the above steps solve the issue, it's a good idea to contact them. They can help with further troubleshooting and may send a technician if necessary. So basically, last resort. But if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.